Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at IFA 2018 and we're at the Acer press conference here. Behind me is the Predator Triton 900. It's a new laptop coming out. Not a lot of firm specs going on with it, but it's a cool design. Now, if you followed Acer before, there was an old laptop I had years ago called the R7. This reminds me a lot of it. So this is a gaming laptop that has a lot of the peripheral stuff behind the keyboard. They've used this design before. What they're doing now is they have the display on a hinge and it can tilt forward basically and go ahead of that so it matches up with the keyboard. Gives you a more immersive experience. If you go look up the R7, it's a very similar design that just had a trackpad behind it. This doesn't do that. It still has a digital trackpad to the right, which is a little weird if you're left-handed, obviously. It's gonna be a very powerful laptop. It should have, we don't know, maybe a GTX 1080 in it, 1070, maybe one of the newer ones from NVIDIA. My expectations, we'll hear more about this device at CES in 2019. We'll have to wait and see though. It's a really cool design that displays a 4K panel. It rotates around and you can do all different viewing angles. So this is really a combination, one of the first gaming laptops that's also convertible and also very high end. Should be a very exciting device. We'll have to wait though until Acer wants to show us more. Now this device is one of the first ones also to feature the 4th generation of the new AeroBlade system. So Acer makes a big deal of its blades and its fans. It's really kind of cool. This one's inspired literally by owls and the feathers. It's supposed to basically increase the flow of the air while also reducing turbulence. Basically it just means it's going to be a very cool device. It's also very quiet. And that's of course something we all want in our laptops. So we'll have to wait though and hear it for ourselves. So that's it for the Acer Triton 900. We'll have more on this device in the coming weeks and months. Thanks for watching. Take care everybody.